Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today we will know how we can check the refresh rate of your monitor on Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. So once you are on the desktop, just do a right click and then go to display settings. Once the display settings is open, we need to scroll it down and look for advanced display. So once you click on advanced display, where your monitor resolution color profile is there, and just below here, you can see the refresh rate. So now we have got an option. So from here you can select, I just have only one option. So it's currently 59.79. So in this manner, you can check the refresh rate in Windows 11 computer. If you think this video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.